Hey there, startled me. I'm entering all this beautiful data. Isn't it fun to enter data? I love it, doing it all day. It's so exciting. Couldn't imagine how to do anything else. Well, but in all seriousness, who likes doing this? Stacks of paper, entering the same thing, something that, one would think machines could do these days. I tell you, machines can actually do this. We've had some fun projects where we eliminated this very antiquated task of data entry and replaced it by bots doing the same thing. But hold on, little bot over there is not gonna replace my job. That bot helps me actually use something that makes us unique, our brain. And with that, now any of your employees could do something that actually is more valuable for you and brings you a pretty good return on investment. Try us out. Sign up for our workshop below and see what we can do.